All right, class, this is Tuesday's homework help, and we are still working on reflection. Reflection is when you flip the object over the line of reflection. The line of reflection here is the y-axis, so I'm going to trace the y-axis. This is the line that I'm going to flip the object over. Okay, so here, this is my line of reflection. Every point that's on this side of the line of reflection is going to be on the opposite side. And every point that's on this side of the line of reflection is also going to be on this opposite side. So let's look at E. E is one away from the line of reflection. So when I flip it, it's going to be one away on this side. So this is E prime. This is a new location for E. F is one away from the line of reflection here. So F is going to be one away. When I flip it, it's going to be one away from the line of reflection on this side. This is F prime. Let's look at V. V is 1, 2, 3, 4 away from the line of reflection. So when I flip it, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 away from the line of reflection on this side. This is V prime. So when I connect it, my new points, that object has flipped over the line of reflection. All right, let's look at the second one. Number 2, we're going to reflect. We're going to graph these ordered pairs, okay? I'm going to graph these ordered pairs. So the ordered pair is going to be Q prime 1 comma negative 3. So go over 1 and down. 1, 2, 3. This is Q. It was previously moved. That's okay. We're just going to graph this. It's only had one move, and we're going to move it a second time, okay? So R prime is negative 2 and negative 1, 2, and negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to the left 6, to the left 2 and down 6. This is R prime. Okay. Then we have negative 1 and negative 1. This is negative 1, negative 1. This is S prime. So it's going to be moved a third time. And it's going to be moved. It's going to be reflect over the x-axis. This is the x-axis here. So if we flip it over this line, it's going to be on top this way. Okay. Move this out the way. All right. So S is 1 under the line. When I flip it, it's going to be 1 above the line. So this is the new location for S prime prime. This is negative 1 and positive 1. Negative 1, positive 1. Q is 1, 2, 3 under the line. When I flip it, it's going to be 1, 2, 3 above the line. This is the third time Q is moved. 1, 2, second time, sorry. This ordered pair start at the origin, to the right 1, positive 1, and up 1, 2, 3. So this is 1, comma 3. And R is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 below the line. So when I flip it, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 above the line. This is R prime prime. And that ordered pair to the left, 1, 2, that's negative 2, and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is going to be negative 2 and positive 6. Okay. All right, let's look at the last one. We have a plumber charges $50 to make a call. So you automatically have to pay that $50. He also charges $25 an hour for labor. So he automatically has to charge the $50. That's the starting amount, and $25 per hour is the rate. A, let's do A. Okay, write an equation that you could use to the amount a plumber is going to make for a house call based on the number of hours of labor. So again, our starting amount, our B is $50 and our M is $25. So when we write the equation, linear equation, we write it in y equals mx plus b, which is slope-intercept form. We're going to substitute these values into the formula. So we have y is equal to m, which is 25, x plus 50. The y is the total amount for the plumber that the plumber charges. The X is the number of hours that the plumber is working. So if the plumber is working 2 hours, it's
Josiah Morgan to the front office. Josiah Morgan to the front office.
Then it's going to be 2 times 25. That's 2 hours times $25. That's going to be a total of $50 plus they automatically make $50 to make the house call. Okay? So now let's do B. How much would it cost for a house call that requires 2.5 hours of labor? So remember, the number of hours is X. So X here is equal to 2.5 hours. So you want to know what's the total? So you're going to use the equation. Y is equal to $25 times the number of hours plus the $50, the automatic $50 to make the call. So our total amount Y is going to be 25 times 2.5 hours plus 50. So let me type this in. Sorry, y'all. We type in $25 times 2.5 hours, and we're going to add $50 to it. So that's going to be $112.50. So $112.50. That's the total. Okay. Now let's look at C. All right. If the bill from the plumber is $162.50, how many hours did the plumber work? So this time they give you the total and they want to know what X is. So Y total is equal to $162.50. And you're trying to find, this time, you're trying to find X. Okay? So rewrite the equation, y is equal to 25x plus 50, and substitute $162.50 for y. Okay. Now we're going to solve for x. So to get x by itself, we're going to subtract the $50 from both sides. Okay. So here, this is $162.50 minus $50. So that is going to give us, $112.50. Okay. All right. This is gone, and I'm left with 25x. So now I'm going to divide both sides by 25. Okay. So we got 112.50 divided by $25. And that's going to give us 4.5 hours. So this is 4.5 is equal to x, which is 4.5 hours. Okay. Oops, I'm sorry about that, y'all. Couldn't see that part. See? So this is my y. I know you saw that part. We use the equation, okay? And then you substitute this amount, the y, in the place of y, and solve for x. So you're going to subtract 50 first. That gives you this 112.50. 50 is gone on this side, and you're left with 25x. Divide both sides by 25 to get rid of the 25, and that gives you 4.5. So it's 4.5 hours. So it takes the plumber 4.5 hours to get a total of $162.50. And all you got to do, if you want to check that, plug this in. 25 times 25 times the 4.5 hours plus the automatic $50. See? And that gave you $162.50. All right, y'all. Very good. I hope you understood everything. Ask questions if you don't. Have a good day.